Hey, good morning, everybody. I'd like to say we're going somewhere fun and exciting on the boat this weekend, but that's just not the case. It's been a wicked week. Both my daughter and I broke both our phones, so gonna get those fixed. And we're getting ready to go away on vacation to visit my wife's family. So today's gonna be a bit of a maintenance day. I'm getting the boat pulled out of the water here shortly. We're gonna inspect the bottom paint, see what kind of shape it's in, and probably change the gear oil if I brought the right tools with me. So let's see how it goes today. I did have to hook up my electronics today because I don't actually know where I'm going, even though I know it's just the marina around the corner. Never fails. I'm really bad at navigation, so I rely a lot on the electronics. So yeah, got those guys hooked up. Hey, so we're back and docked at our slip after having the boat pulled out today and the bottom cleaned off, as well as changing the gear oil. It's been sitting all winter, so changed it out. Looked like it was in good shape, but probably needed to be done, so it's a good thing to do. Tighten up a few hose clamps that I noticed had come loose, so I got those tightened up. And now just sitting down listening to some music and getting ready for vacation. Have a great day, guys.